All right, so we're at half point. We made it. National weekend, practice today. First time on a track, over 2 years. That's crazy. Haven't been on a bike probably in over a year. Let's go. All right, guys. First practice in the books, okay? First time in the track, over 2 years, 100%. At least 2 years, that's crazy. First time on a bike, well over a year. 2019 KTM 150. My previous bike was 250 4-stroke, okay? So I'm used to riding that. Completely different, completely different. First impressions, the thing has a lot of power when you're in the power band, okay? So basically I have to learn how to ride it in the power band, because I'm gonna tell you, it's a smidge sketchy right now. I'm scared to hit any of the jumps because I don't want the power band to kick in right on the lip and then shoo, send it. But I'm gonna figure it out. It's gonna be awesome. Oh yeah, real quick, I forgot to tell you, I'm getting the DJI Osmo action cam set up. So we're gonna have a full test on the action cam to see exactly how it is. I don't know, I haven't really looked, but I haven't seen any moto footage with this yet. So I'm excited to see how it is. It has that new like super smooth thing that's supposed to be better than the GoPro. I don't know, we're gonna check it out. We're gonna see how it goes. Guys, as you can see from that helmet cam footage, we're in rough shape, dude. Oh, it's great. I don't care though, I'm out here having a blast. That bike is absolutely killer. That bike right there, 2019 KTM 150. I love it. I learned how to ride it a little more that time out. It has a lot of power in the power band, like I said before, but the thing is, I wouldn't say it's harder to ride, I would just say it's different. So once you get the hang of it, it'll be absolutely killer. Figured it out a little more that time. I have one more practice session to go. They got to run through the whole lineup, and we'll see if we can make it happen.
I can't even like move them.
Yep. That's a goat.
These guys throw rocks off up there.
There's
like,
rocks here.
Yeah, there's like.
All right, guys. We're they're getting ready to do the pro press day. We're hanging out here on the back side, the pro section of the track here. They don't let this go for the amateurs. Like, this isn't in practice today.
Format here for the Pro National, so it's great to see the local like this. That's just a small fraction of who's doing all of these here, not just all the national state tracks again. These are over, and they also
Alright guys, we're done. We're done for the day. I actually went out 2 times for my last one. I went out the round right after mine. I just went right back out just to get some more time on the bike, just because I got to figure out how to ride that sucker. Pit bike track, pit bike races tonight. We're not camping. We'll be here tomorrow for the National. Day 1 on the KTM 150. Excellent day. Super cool. First time on the track over 2 years. First time on a bike over 1.5 years at least. But yeah, we got the wife and we got the baby, and we got to get everything loaded up. I literally took my gear off and threw it right on the ground. But I gotta get back in some shape.